extraordinary health benefits of the superfood pineapple and the best way to eat it to get maximum benefit. Let's find out in this video. Many people today are taking multivitamin tablets to fulfill their nutrient intake. Pineapple is one such superfood, at least 100 times more nutritious than any multivitamin tablet in this world. Pineapple is also a zero cholesterol fruit, which means it removes bad cholesterol from the body, reducing the risk of blockages and any heart problems, also reducing the risk of fatty liver. But what if I have diabetes? You can still eat pineapple, but in its whole form and in moderation. It can actually help cure your diabetes as it is rich in fiber. Rich in antioxidants, pineapple also helps in fighting and reversing cancer. Many people don't know that pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens our immune system and also keeps our skin and eyes really glowing and healthy. If you are suffering from arthritis or you have any pain in your bones or your joints, you must make pineapple a part of your regular diet. Pineapple is also very effective in treating digestion problems. It is very laxative, so it helps in detoxing our body, cleaning our internal system, and it strengthens our digestive power. So we have discussed some amazing benefits of eating pineapple, but if you are a smart viewer, you will not miss this part of the video. The best way to eat pineapple to get its maximum benefit. Number 1. Always eat pineapple on an empty stomach. You have to feel that sense of hunger within your body. You can eat it by itself, or you can mix it along with similar fruits, prepare some interesting fruit recipes. Never combine it with grains, cooked food or any heavy food. Doing this, you will lose all of its benefits. Also, avoid eating it after sunset as it is a cold-natured fruit. Video shooting is done. That's it about the benefits of pineapple. So if you watched the video until here, I'm sure you will eat more pineapple from today. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Abhishek and I'll see you soon in another video.